Ask Jesus, man. Ask me. Ask Jesus. See what is. Go ask him.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's your girl Bree and your boy written there. And since he chose to start the prank war, I'm here with a prank for y'all. Alright, so basically I'm saying I'm gonna shop, so I'm gonna hurry up with that intro, yeah. Zin. Alright, so today I will be asking my Jamaican boyfriend to I'm going to ask my Jamaican boyfriend to eat the, or if he would ever consider eating the. Oh! You understand? So don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and team Bree in the comment section. You understand? So if you all are new, welcome to the channel, and if you're a returning viewer, thanks for always joining. So without further ado, let's get right into the video.
Bring us start the show without me.
No.
What is it?
Me pause me. This alibi?
No, just put it on single, take a look at it.
In the universe. You should have your own show.
Oh no.
I mean,
Come
yes, I would do it to be.
Oh, wait.
You promised me something.
And you watch my episode like me.
If you
No.
ever do get your own show, you have to promise me.
What did you want?
In my own. Anyways, may I have something for Axel?
What happened now?
Let me come back up.
You're pregnant?
Yes, may I read it? Hey, now I couple laptop.
See what this one?
Have a serious question for Axel.
Where you ask me now? Where you want money? Where you want? You want something to buy?
Anyways, I have one question. Yeah, a serious question.
Oh, but no fuck you are going on.
No.
No bad play with nerves in the midst.
What's up?
I can't ram too much.
What me do? Anyways, the thing say, afraid.
Where we ask a question that we are afraid for?
No, but I rush me, I know.
What do you mean rush you? What me rush you for? What you ask me now make me have to go rush you dog? I that me want. What you gonna ask me?
I don't know, I'm really serious. Alright. May I ask if I can help punch up myself?
Wait, what? Where you come? Why you see some foolish you coming
I'm
now,
not
brother?
foolish.
You love rum too much, you know. You know you know, brother. You love rum, brother.
Me now play, me tell us there's something serious.
What is it? What's so serious?
Like a bit.
Here I know me have to go big again. Lord have his mercy upon your name. How me go big Sweden?
I know nothing big.
If I something, I must something. Maybe nothing, I must something
Pinky
kind of.
promise.
Yo, bad man, I do pinky promise you.
Alright, tuggy tugs.
Come in.
Don't vex with me. Don't rush me. And don't. Yeah, that.
Yeah, let me get nervous now.
You not get nervous, me. Me think we did kinda talk about this already. Well, we never really talk, but I just saw a situation where you're pregnant there, but you come ask me and someone will ask you about it.
What that be? But I mean, can't bust my brain to think about that right now. What happened? What happened, Bree? Why you mushy me down? Just ask me the question, no miss.
No, Betsy, don't. Me accent now.
You want me feel like me have a begs at this point. No, brother, I feel like me have a begs at this point, brother. No, brother, I feel like me have a begs at this
Alright, me
point.
accent now, me accent. Looking at my eyes.
Mirror artist, me have looking at eyes now. No, brother. Who did it? Somebody did, man. Who you want me to be bury, brother? Who you kill now? That's what we do.
Alright.
You might think man a joke, man.
You think so? You're gonna try consider for eat pum pum?
Wait,
Wait,
the brother, man.
Alright.
Wait, let me sit up. You know something?
You think you're gonna consider for eat pum pum?
Me ain't talk about this.
Because look how long suppose you have one change of feet.
Listen me, bad man. Change of fate in our next man. You see me?
So, alright, my max one.
Bad man, me nah, yo, listen.
Wait, no,
listen.
this-
The tell of you not come, you know, fuck you, no, dog.
Me ask you again now.
Ask me again.
One
Brother.
different question.
Yo, you hear me, say, man.
So,
Ask Jesus, man. Ask Jesus, see what we say. Go ask him.
come in now.
Me say, go ask Jesus, see what we say.
Alright. So
No,
far
this is my disrespect God to you. Yo, sorry, God. Yeah, what a freaking disrespect.
Listen to me, Nabi.
Yeah, go on, me a listen.
So how a man want woman to do them thing there? And it's just one simple thing where you gotta try do when we get older and we're married and you know say and me and you together for all of years. And you know
No, but you can't compare what one man do and what woman do.
I same thing.
No, brother, yo, one thing about you cannot be the same thing, bro.
It's the same thing.
It's not the same thing.
It's the same thing.
Listen me nah run up and down, me nah push up no hill like no donkey. And me nah run behind her with this. You understand? What me I tell you is that you can't compare this with that. You understand? Because, you know,
But look at it. Look when me ask you to do it, you know, when we get older, you know, we 30, I get to be 40, and you know, say, we have a kids, and we're going to marry, and then thing there. And you can't consider do it. But some man,
listen me.
Some man.
Never.
Don't listen to what me have to say.
Never. What, give me, what is it never in Spanish? Yeah, nunca. Never. Me serious, man, never. Me nah.
Okay, Papa Joe.
Me nah take up the role, you know. I've left the role and everybody can, you know. You see me think, what Jeffrey say, me think say we start now, you should start for a long time.
Yeah, Jeffrey, if we go.
You understand? You should start for, if you start, you have to start for a long time now. You see, if you do it now, you have dead.
You and Jeffrey, if we dead. Boy.
But I'm for real, if you start now, you have dead.
Whatever.
You should start eating for a long time, you know. You just match 18 and then with this, you know, so your stomach shrunk, you know, sitting there, you know. This is now in your 20s, I got on to your 30s now. If you start now, it could come like a smoking, it doesn't go dead dog.
Oh!
Yeah,
Move.
yeah, choke, you know, I'm gonna live long.
Of course.
So you want me to eat the buff and dead?
You're not dead.
I bet this is just start. I logic to anything I mean.
Move right.
You understand logics, man? You know when we start doing this sitting there and I was dead. One sitting clog up on me and I was dead.
What gonna clog up
Me
for
don't
you?
know that, me don't know
What
how
gonna
them things
clog
they
up
go.
for you?
Me don't know
What you
smoke.
try to say?
The smoke start hurt me and me can't manage it. And then freaknation and then me just dead.
Whatever, bro.
I'm sure no you want me live long, not true?
Whatever.
See, you don't see how me live long, you know. So you don't say rape me, so you don't say, nah, come back to me with this, not true? Cause you don't want me dead, not true? I think we should start a race early, but not true.
Suppose me I did feel like 100 years and me and you
Yeah, no.
married.
Yeah,
You wouldn't do it for change.
Do what? Eat some food. We have cook on stuff.
I want food, yes.
What kind of food? What full belly? How would that give a nigga right this?
Belly of pleasure. Full belly of pleasure.
Bad man, you can't bother with you, dog. You don't stress me out, no dog. You don't stress me out.
Me and I'm stressed if I ask someone little question.
Tell me, how me could have known say some fuckery I come with, dog. Me I talk about this already, be say yo. Better that now go happen, dog. Me not consider it and me not think about it. So how you just come back out of the blues? Who out the road I tell you about? Who are you to chat about this, dog?
Me and nobody not talk about nothing. Me just there and they say, I want nothing free. I'm saying me I gotta ask you.
Yo.
But you where you go?
Brother, me I talk about this already, dog. And you still call this a foolish, dog.
So, the question I asked you earlier, say if we live for 100 years and we married,
100 years we dead. 100. Who are you living 100 years?
You might never know.
100 years my mouth can't even move good. Yeah, talk about. You talk about if you live for 100 years.
Before 100 years come, so one good 30 years. You would like to change things and spice it up a bit.
Change what?
Change the sex life.
Well, after the next 30 years, when about 3 years now. After these 30 years, after 1 year
no,
now.
suppose, alright, so for instance, we're in our 30s, I go to 40s. You would like consider it.
No man, boy still ready, kicking, farting. You understand? Still live already. You see me drink up the roots, man, blend up the banana and okra and things.
And suppose me tell you, say, because you're not live already, let me ask if you try something different.
The fuck your bumper hole with me born alive. We been alive already. We are trying to say, you think not tough like Rockstone?
That is not what I'm trying to say.
Make this clear. Because we have to know right now, no make no sense. Brother, why you can't piss me off now, dog? You love when me raise, you love me raise, you love when me raise up yourself? What me get you to come to? Tonight, dog. Tonight. Why? Me head hot me, brother.
I'm getting a better from money.
I just choose to come with fuck, you know?
But you did behave alright, something I did alright. But I'm not fuck still, I just want a simple question.
And the answer is still no.
But you're not ready, B. You're not ready like one time.
Bad man not do anything that dog.
But you're not ready like one time.
We mean me not ready. Without us before that I was married. Miss. In Jesus Almighty God name, Rastafari, Halaf, whatever call him. Let's
I joke me.
You know how I feel about
I joke me and make B is a prank. Look behind the curtain.
You don't post this now?
I just want to be.
You can't post, yo, Bree, you can't post this. Poor people see it and
what?
poor people start chopping me about it.
When about trouble, you say, like
say you come to me with name front argument, miss.
And I like say, you say yes.
What do you mean?
This is one simple conversation that any couple would have.
Nobody, ask bad man if you do them sitting there. You see me?
Anyways, guys, we get him good. We get him more real pissed, and that was the aim. And that's again.
Why you hiding this? I want to people before you do that.
I'm gonna put it behind the grill. So guys, thank you guys for tuning in. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Out of here. Peace.